Hello, welcome to another class on transportation problem. Uh, Today, in a short video, I shall explain what is meant by degeneracy in transportation problem and how we can overcome that. Degeneracy in transportation problem means a feasible solution having a less number of basic cells than m plus n minus 1. We know that a cell whose xij is greater than 0, that cell is called as basic cell, and whose xij is 0, that cell is known as non-basic cell. So if the number of basic cells are less than m plus n minus 1, then it is known as degeneracy. If the number of basic cells is exactly equal to m plus n minus 1, then that feasible solution is known as a basic feasible solution. Optimality test can be performed only on basic feasible solution. Therefore, what exactly is to be done if our feasible solution is not a basic feasible solution? Find first what is the shortage of number of basic cells by calculating what is called as m plus n minus 1 minus the actual number of basic cells. So pick these many number of non-basic cells and choose their xij equal to epsilon. Epsilon is a very small quantity, and for all practical purpose we treat it as 0. Anything plus epsilon is 0, anything minus anything plus epsilon is same. Say for example 10 plus epsilon is 10, 10 minus epsilon is 10. And convert these non-basic cells into basic cells and treat them now onwards. And so that total m plus n minus 1 number of basic cells are there, and the only one small restriction is there. The such chosen now all basic cells together, they should not form a loop on their own with the help of horizontal and vertical lines, such that all corners of the loop are basic cells. And probably I shall elaborate this point when I explain it. For that purpose I am choosing an example now. Say it is a 3 by 3 transportation problem, and somehow I have obtained a feasible solution. So x11 is 30, like that 30, 10, 15, 20. The 6, 4, 8, 7, 5, 10, 8, 9, 6, these are CIJs, and whatever this I said, they are XIJs. I count the number of basic cells. Say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are only 4 basic cells. And m is 3 and n is 3. Therefore, 3 plus 3 minus 1 minus 4, that is equal to 1. So, one shortage of basic cell to become this feasible solution to a basic feasible solution. Therefore, what I shall do is choose one non-basic cell with xij equal to epsilon and treat it as basic cells. There are so many non-basic cells here. For example, this cell 1, 3. This is 2, 2. Then 2, 3. Then 3, 1, 3, 2. I just go on choosing any one by one, and whether I can continue with that or not for optimality test, that I shall explain. So option number 1, I shall choose 1, 3 as a non-basic cell, and I want to convert it as a basic cell with xij equal to epsilon. The same solution I have written it here. You can see here. Now this cell 1, 3, I have epsilon. Now therefore the total number of basic cells is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's what I require, and therefore it is a basic feasible solution. I just check whether can I draw a loop such that the corners of the loop are basic cells. For example, if I start from here, so I can draw only possible vertical line is like this. Then onwards I cannot draw any horizontal line, because I have to end the horizontal line only at a basic cell, because that basic cell must be a corner of the loop. Therefore I cannot draw loop. Therefore this solution is a basic feasible solution, and I can go on for optimality test. I have chosen another option. Say for example this 2, 1 cell 2, 1. Okay, so now this 2, 1, this is where I have epsilon. Okay, total number of basic cells now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, fine. But I have shown here, say if I start from this epsilon, I have drawn a vertical line. This is a basic cell, then a horizontal line. This is a basic cell, a vertical line, another basic cell, and horizontal line. Therefore, it is possible for me to draw a loop. Therefore, now these basic cells are not independent. Therefore, I cannot treat this feasible solution as a basic feasible solution. Therefore, this is ruled out. You cannot choose here. And option 3, this also is fine. Now I have chosen 2, 3, and if I choose it, I cannot draw a loop, and therefore this is a basic feasible solution. A similar result you will have by choosing the basic cell, that is treating 3, 1, a non-basic cell as basic cell, and similarly another 3, 2, that also. So both of them are basic feasible solutions. You have plenty of choices for selection, and any one of them except this, any one you could have chosen and then proceeded with optimality test. So this is how we can overcome the problem of degeneracy in transportation problem. Thank you.